Hi, this is the Wheeze, just trying out my new selfie mount, and I hope it's not illegal because I'm not using it as a phone, and I will only glance over at it from time to time. But we'll see how this works out. I wish they had the controls that on the video on these smartphones that they have on the still camera shots, because then I would smooth out all my wrinkles and look 20 years younger. But we're going out on the road. I am eating some golden chick catfish. And also, almost spilled it all. I'm some green beans, trying to be healthy. I almost lost my beans. That's not a euphemism. Okay. So, as they say in upstate New York, Oswego. They probably don't say that upstate New York. Except maybe in Oswego. Okay. So, I did some video earlier, my walk around Walnut Creek Park. That's why I'm still dressed for hiking here. That's in my stealth mode. And this is third transition with the Wheeze. I've gone off hormones twice since my SRS back in September 19th, on September 19th, 1977. And I'm now in what I call my third transition. I'm really giving the hormones a chance, and they are working for me now. You see, before, I thought that I had gone as far as I could with them, and I had some breast development, and I was young, and I eventually had electrolysis and took care of all the facial things. So I thought that was as far as I could go. And now, in my late 60s, I started watching all these transgender YouTube videos, and I found out that if I had stayed on hormones constantly all this time, my God, I would have been stunningly beautiful in my youth. And now I'm old and I'm losing weight, but weight is causing turkey neck. But for 69 years old, which I am now, I think I'm looking pretty good. And maybe the hormones will kind of settle out, and you know, maybe they will make me youthful again. For years, people thought I was younger than I was anyway, even without the hormones. And then I lost weight, and I got older too. Let's face it, I got older, and that's one reason why I have not looked as good as I might have. and I suppose I should just give up at this age and say, yeah, I should be happy that I had a life. I was able to work long enough to retire, and now in my retirement I am a poet, mostly unpaid, an open mic host, mostly unpaid, completely unpaid, a playwright, which I've actually lost money on and lost money for other people doing, but I'm basically very happy, and I'm really happy with my new development on HRT, which is not Hillary Rodham Trenton or something. No, it's hormone replacement therapy, and I'm very, very happy with that. And there are more results to come. I'm starting to get a waist. I think I will get, I'm getting hips very slowly, but it's only been 4 or 5 months really. I mean, the breast development's been, actually I had very slow breast development without hormones for years. I suppose my natural estrogen very slowly bringing me some very minor bust development, but now I think I've got like a B cup, and I'm, wow, hoping for more without further surgery. And I said all my life that I would never get plastic surgery, but I might because of this. But we'll see what happens. Let's see if I can turn this. Can I turn this around and show what else is going on? Hi, Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Nope. Apparently not. Signing off for now.